Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to see another feature of Adobe Firefly where we can remove and change the background of an image. Okay, so let's have a look at this also. So once we are here, the first thing which we can do is we can with generative AI, let's just have the background setup done. So I'm going to generate an image which is going to give us the background, the new background which you want. Okay, so here we can define the background. Let's say I'm saying long road. So long road going towards the sunset, and we want to generate an image based on this. Now on this, we are going to add the image which we want to have and change the background. So we have the image over here, which looks fine. Okay. Now on this, we want to upload the image. So as you can see right now, the image is different over here, and we can remove this as we had seen earlier also. So we're just going to remove it. So now you have this here, which can be used. So this way you can simply remove the images of your photos, remove the background of your images as well in this particular manner. You can generate new backgrounds, okay, and then you can put your images in front of it and build out different types of images as per your requirement. I hope this makes sense. You understand how we did this. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.